this life a beast, I got the whole crowd surfing. Don't make the wrong move, cause my aim.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So I already recorded this video for y'all, but if y'all watch my last Mother's Day video, y'all know that I got a new phone. So I tried to record it in 4K, and as y'all know, I do have a PC, but when I tried to convert the clips, it was technical difficulties because of the FPS, I guess, in 60 frames per second. But that's besides the point. So today we switching up the content, man. I've been wanted to give y'all this video. I feel like this is very important, especially you know, for all of the people that watch me, for all of my supporters and stuff like that. I really just wanted to connect with y'all on like a deeper level. So I also, if y'all follow me on Instagram, which y'all should follow me on Instagram at ZeroFilms, I posted a poll like not too long ago about if I should make a video on like book suggestions. So as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, this is a video about like how to invest in yourself, but the main focus of this video would be around the subject of books. Now I know a lot of y'all, for all my fellow intellectuals, y'all know that y'all should read books. I shouldn't even have to tell y'all. For all the people that don't read books, it's 2023. What the fuck are you doing? So I'm about to give y'all at least 3 book suggestions, right? I'm gonna give y'all at least 3 book suggestions, and then I'm gonna just give y'all, like, you know, some other like tips and tricks, I guess you could call it, to invest into yourself. And that's including like physically, mentally, spiritually, you know, stuff like that. So this video is going to be relatively quick. I just wanted to get all of this information out to y'all. This is something that I really feel like y'all need, something that I've been like really focusing on like the past maybe like 2 years. I'm 20 now, so for all of the people that are around my age, older than me, younger than me, this is very imperative for you too. So this video is for you. So if you came across this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share if you want to spread the knowledge, which I feel like y'all should do. But without further ado, you dumbass nigga. You don't read books, nigga? That's crazy. Class is in session. So now I'm about to give y'all the first book. So this first book right here is called The Magic of Thinking Big. So, and I'm gonna show every book twice. Y'all can get all of these books off of Amazon and stuff like that. So these are one of the 3 books that I strongly recommend for people with a weak mindset. Now, what I mean by weak mindset is people who don't think big, because it's called The Magic of Thinking Big. So I'm really just connect with y'all on a personal level. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I live in Philly. You know what I'm saying? I'm a black kid that grew up in Philadelphia. I can't even talk. I'm a black kid that grew up in Philadelphia. For those of y'all that know me, for those of y'all that don't, I'm a black kid that grew up in Philadelphia or whatever. So you don't really get a lot of motivation to really think about and expand on your dreams. So I'm not saying that you have to resort to a book to like really, you know, put yourself in the highest position, but this is a really good way to really change your mental environment. Changing your mental environment is the first step of chasing whatever dream that you have, whether it's going to the NBA, whether it's being a content creator, a videographer, a photographer, whatever. You have to think big about what you want to expand on, about what you want to chase. So The Magic of Thinking Big is basically a book, you know, just changing your mental environment, just changing the way you think, thinking about yourself, thinking about the people around you, thinking about all the opportunities that the world like gives to you, and taking advantage of it, and then, like, you know, capitalizing off of that. So the first book is called The Magic of Thinking Big. I recommend that y'all get this joint off of Amazon. Please get this joint. Read it for at least like 10 to 15 minutes a day. Each of these books for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. You can dedicate an hour to reading a book, nigga. If you can dedicate an hour to rolling up the gas, put the gas down, bro. I know you smoking while you watching my vid. I appreciate you though, but I don't want you to be high and then you fucking around be fried and you don't even take in the information that I'm giving you. Now you missing all the free game. So put the L down, put the Hennessy down. I hope you ain't drinking watching this vid, because if you drinking, you must don't watch my channel. I don't listen. Be sober watching my videos. This video, But if you want to smoke watching my other vids, you know what I'm saying, be my guest. But this one, I really want you to pay attention. We about to move on to the second book. Now, before I move on to the second book, as y'all know, I am a content creator. I only been doing content creation, like really on YouTube, TikTok, and everything for only about like under 2 years. So this is very imperative for the people that want to start YouTube, for the people that's in their ongoing journey of content creation, because this is just not for YouTubers. Even though YouTubers are considered content creators, this is for TikTokers, this is for YouTubers, for anybody that's trying to, you know, fit into the content creation world. So the second book that I'm going to recommend to y'all is called YouTube Secrets. Now this book, this book is very imperative, like I said, for all of my content creators. I post quotes and I post like very information over on my Instagram.
What?
Information. That's where I post, you know, most of my other content that I'm not posting on YouTube or Twitter or TikTok, where I post all my clips and stuff like that. If y'all want more informational things, y'all need to shoot over to my Instagram, bro. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. But y'all need to get this book right here, especially if you're trying to get into the content creation world. Now, the next book after this is even more important than this, but this is also to expand your mindset on how to utilize social media as like an asset, rather than just like, you know, like a side hustle. Even though when you start YouTube or when you start TikTok or when you start any other like content creation related type of app or something like that, it starts off as a side hustle, but as you get more used to it and as you adapt to it, it becomes like a job. But rather than just thinking of it as a job, you think of it as like an investment. So that's why, hence like the title and the thumbnail of this video, how to invest into yourself. For all of my upcoming content creators, for all of my upcoming YouTubers especially, I recommend that y'all get this book and read this shit from front to back. Another tip, bro, when you read books, if your teacher ain't tell you this, if your parents ain't tell you this, first of all, parents, if your parents don't tell you to read books, that's type crazy. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You don't have intellectual parents. With all due respect, brother. But I ain't gonna lie. Before you read books, make sure you read the back so you know what you're reading. Don't just go off of my word. I'm giving y'all, this is just my personal like favorites on what I read, and I read these joints every day. I read these joints every single day. Each one of these 3 books that I'm gonna show y'all, I read every day for at least 20 minutes. So the last but not least book that I'm going to show y'all, it teaches you about financial literacy. Now, before I even show y'all the book, y'all probably know what it is already. Probably one of the most, I wouldn't say the most famous, but one of the most influential books when it comes to financial literacy and financial IQ. So y'all might be asking me, what is financial literacy? So at my definition, not the actual worldly definition, my definition of financial literacy is like the knowledge of how money works and how money can work for you instead of you working for money. I killed that shit. Oh my God, I killed that shit. Yo, hold on, yo. Yo, hold on, I'll be right back, yo. I had to throw on my thinking cap real quick. Hold on. Shout out Paradise, though. Yo, y'all can't see my ears. I got a low ass chrome dome. Yeah. Shout out Paradise, man. I look so hot in this joint, yo. I had to throw on my thinking cap. But look, yo, I forgot what I was talking about. Y'all look good as shit in this joint. But look, let me take this shit off, because I really want y'all to take me serious in this vid. I don't want y'all to, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that the brand is not to be taken serious, because it definitely is. But with that tight ass beanie on my head, because I got hair, like, I don't think y'all take me serious. Y'all just gonna take screenshots, and I feel like that's dick in. So I ain't gonna wear the beanie. But shout out Paradise though. It's on my hat tree. I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, y'all should have seen my hat tree in the vid, bro. Go watch the vid, bitch. But yeah, so this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, it teaches you the importance of financial literacy and financial IQ. And like I just explained, financial literacy is basically knowing the power of money, how to use money, how to not work for money, but to have money work for you. Now, I'm not really going to go into really the specific detail of the context of the book because I really want y'all to read it for yourself, but I just want to give like a little overview. This book teaches about you know, the importance of being an entrepreneur, the importance of school and the non-importance of school, because as we see in today's world, school is really becoming like a non-important thing. Like, it's not imperative anymore. Like, nobody really pushes college unless you're really like trying to get into a career. So this book is specifically for my entrepreneurs or for anybody that's even in school. You can be in school and you want to have financial literacy and you want to have financial IQ, because school does not teach about money. This book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, teaches about fucking money, bro. So if you want to be wealthy, if you want to break that generational curse, if you want to build wealthiness, if you want financial freedom, if you want to even teach other people about it, I recommend that y'all read this fucking book front to back. I'm not even done this shit. I'm on page like 177. But make sure that y'all highlighting. I forgot to say that. In all of these books that I just mentioned to y'all, make sure that y'all are actually like taking them in and are trying to apply them to real life and try to teach other people, because I feel like too many people gatekeep stuff nowadays. Like, they gatekeep information like it's not public. Like, the fuck? Wealth is the passing of information. That's part of wealth. So you're never going to be wealthy if you always gatekeeping. It also teaches you about credit, credit utilization, how to start your credit, how to create corporations. You know what I'm saying? Like the secrets of the rich. We don't get this as black niggas. We don't get this shit. So when I'm telling you to get this, and it's coming from me, it's coming from zero, bro. You know it's validated if it's coming from zero. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get this book. No, like on some real shit though. Like, really, all three of these books, and this is for everybody. It don't matter what age group. Listen, it doesn't matter what age group. I just feel like people try to categorize themselves, oh, I'm too old or I'm too young to learn about this. No, you're not. And I'm still, you know what I'm saying, in the process of trying to teach people, and of trying to teach myself, of trying to learn all of this stuff as I'm reading it, and I'm trying to apply it. We all not perfect, but if you really want to change your mental environment, if you really just want to excel as a human being, as a person, as an individual, as like a living person, bro, you need to invest into yourself, and you need to teach yourself. You need to rewrite yourself. You need to step back. Stop having so much fucking pride, nigga, because you're not better than anybody. You think just because you're wearing Balenciagas with Kasubi jeans and a fucking Balenciaga shirt makes you better than the next nigga on the block? It does not. I'm not gonna lie to you. A nigga with Bobos on and I ain't gonna lie. A polo tee with no beater is crazy. But a nigga with a polo tee and no beater can be smarter than you and be richer than you, even though you think you richer than him because you got Balenciagas and them nut-ass Subi jeans. Not coming at y'all niggas with Subi jeans. Y'all niggas do be looking tough. I'm not gonna lie. No dicky and shit. I don't want Subi jeans, though. I said in one of my videos, look, I don't want this video to be too long. Shout out my niggas that wear Chrome Heart jeans. Y'all look nice in them, Jones. No bullshit. I'll be looking nice in a Chrome Heart, and I mean it in no gay way, bro. I will slap this shit out you. No bullshit. I do box. We can bub. You know what I'm saying? I don't got no gloves right now, but we can throw these out. You feel what I'm saying? But those are the three books. I like I said, I don't want to make this video too long because I already tried to record this and stuff like that. But those are the three books that I recommend that you grab if you want to change your mental environment. A lot of people are scared of change, and that's what I'm trying to influence. I'm trying to influence change. I'm trying to influence that revolt to change and to go from one mindset that you had to another. You feel what I'm saying? Those are the three books that I wanted to suggest for y'all. I'm gonna just put them all in the camera and stuff like that. so y'all can see them. If y'all want to screenshot them or write them down or whatever y'all want to do, y'all can get all 3 of these joints from Amazon. There's other books that I can also show y'all. If y'all do want a part 2 to this video, I'm happy to make that. But these are the 3 most important books that I recommend that you get if you want to change your mental environment. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, YouTube Secrets, and The Magic of Thinking Big. These 3 books alone in the last like year and a half have changed my life drastically. And y'all hear people say this a lot. Like I'm actually living proof. My friends could tell you, nigga, my mom could tell you, my girl could tell you. Anybody that's been around me long enough can tell you. So yeah, man, this is the end of the video. I can't even fucking talk. It's so much shit going through my mind right now. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure y'all definitely share it. You know what I'm saying? This is a lot of information that people do not have. Share it to your friends, your mom, your dad, your uncle, anybody that watch YouTube. Even if they don't watch YouTube, nigga, you can have a 60-year-old senile grandma in a nursing home right now. You know what I'm saying? Share it with her. You feel what I'm saying? Share it with everybody. It don't matter. Like that's all I'm saying. I'm not going at nobody. You feel what I'm saying? Like, bro, just share the information. But make sure if you liked the video, make sure that you share, make sure that you comment, and just, you know what I'm saying, make sure that you subscribe, man. I just love the love. Shout out all of my new and all of my old subscribers, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for 1,500 subscribers, bro. That shit is still even crazy to say to this day. Like I don't even want to say, well, I didn't even imagine. I literally manifested 1,500 subscribers, and I'm manifesting 1 million more of y'all niggas. You know what I'm saying? Tens of millions. Like I don't listen. I'm just here to influence. I'm here to, you know what I'm saying, spread information that people is afraid to give y'all. Nigga, y'all pay for this shit. Nigga, this shit for the free. Just cause I want to. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like I'm the only small YouTuber in Philly that's really giving financial literacy like advice. Nobody else is doing it. They'll make you pay $15.99 on OnlyFans just to tell you that credit is good. Y'all niggas is dickheads. I'm giving this shit for y'all for free. And I'm still learning about all of this shit. So y'all learning with me. But this is the end of the video. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, man. And just keep subbing. We out this bitch.
Hey, yeah, see it, I want it, I cop it. I only fuck with the hoe when she poppin'. I had to switch up my mindset, Glock on my head, told the ops I ain't down yet. I'm watching my back cause I've been in the front and they waiting to catch the mistakes.